poison, 7th division. He's moved on.
Yeah.
So all we have to do, those who believe in him, like myself, must pray for him and give him all the support that he must be successful there. Not for the sake of Sundowns. He's got nothing to prove. No, he's got nothing to prove at Sundowns. He is going for himself there. He must leave a legacy in Morocco, like Pito has done. Pito has left a legacy. Whether he's got a job now or he hasn't got a job, he's left a legacy. So he must do the same.
The South African football icon Jomo Sono has broken his silence and revealed what really got his nephew Rulani Mokwena fired by Mamelodi Sundowns. Despite leading Sundowns to a 7th straight league title and 2 cup finals last season, Mokwena was shown the door earlier this month, and speculation was that it was due to his relationship with sporting director Flemingberg. The 37-year-old, who has built up an impressive CV for someone his age, has since been picked up by the Moroccan Giants wide at Casablanca. Speaking to Robert Marawa on MSW on Monday, Sono, who is the older brother of Mokwena's father, Julius Sono, claimed the signing of the controversial Thembinkosi Lodge as the reason for his nephew's sacking. The 30-year-old Lodge joined the Sundowns during the mid-season transfer window from Soweto Giants, Orlando Pirates. The move came months after Lodge was found guilty and handed a suspended jail sentence for a domestic violence. Jomo said that politically and otherwise, if you look at it, the whole thing started with Lodge. I don't think it had anything to do with winning the Champions League. He discussed it with me. I think the big chief back did not want Lodge because he felt Lodge was overage and you can't invest so much money in a player who's over 30. And then I said to him, I can't get into the politics of Sundowns. I cannot advise you on this one. Because the moment I open my mouth, it will be the front page news. I told him that if he wants Lodge, he must fight for him. Immediately after his sacking, Mokwena spoke to Marawa, saying that he did not intend to leave the club, but could not divulge any more information as he had signed a non-disclosure agreement. And said, there are a lot of things I can't talk about because I've signed a confidentiality clause that prohibits me from speaking about some of the details. I hope you understand there are things I cannot disclose because if I do, I'll get into a lot of trouble. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.